Hello friends, my name is Ajay Kumar and I have 8 years of experience in IT industry. And today I am starting to upload my videos in YouTube channel, and this is my first video and I am starting with Azure Logic Apps. That's nowadays it's in trending. So in this session first we will learn what is Logic Apps and how it works, and we will see one demo. So what is Logic Apps? This is a cloud service that helps you to schedule and automate tasks, business processes and workflows whenever when you need to integrate with apps, data, system or service. So an example, uh, uh, we can use Logic Apps where we want to send an email notification to the customer and to the end user uh, through the various systems and applications. Okay. We can also use Logic Apps whenever we want to move or upload the uploaded files from SFTP server or Activity server to Azure server. Okay. And also we can monitor tweets for a specific subject using cognitive services, and we can uh, analyze the sentiment in background. It uses cognitive services to analyze the sentiment, and we can create an alert or send email to the end user. And also we can in the tweet we can uh, reply or retweet or repost on the tweet. Okay. So few other scenario, we can also use other data sources, SQL, Azure functions and SharePoint to trigger the action, to trigger the logic. And for this session, I am going to take one scenario, and this is for automating the customer request and approval rejection process via Outlook email for support team. So once the user raise a request to the online portal, he or she will get the notification email, and the manager or supervisor will be able to approve or reject email via Outlook email. Okay. And then he or she will and the end user will receive the notification accordingly, and our database will be also automatically will be updated according to the emails notification. Okay. So for this scenario I am going to use these are the terminology which will be required for Azure account. Also we need Azure account. Also we will have to create a Logic Apps, and we should have a SQL database for the integration purpose, and for Visual Studio or any tools uh, for for creating a registration page. This is the workflow. So once user request from online portal for support, it will automatically send an email approval or rejection email to the supervisor, and then at the same time we will also send email initial notification mail to the customer. Yeah, you have some like you are successfully your record has been recorded to our database, and this is your reference ID for future. And also will and then you supervisor or manager will receive approval or rejection email via Outlook, and then we will send a approve or rejection email to the end user as well. And for this purpose we need one email box to send which is responsible for sending email to the customer or manager. For this demo I am using my Outlook email ID Azure for Cloud, and one email ID account for supervisor manager, and for this purpose I am using ajay.bit@gmail.com. Use one customer who is going to register. Definitely he or she will provide one email ID. For this purpose for this demo I will use Ajay for cloud at outlook.com again. Let's go move to demo right now. So I'm in the Azure portal, and I have already created. There is already a Logic app which is already running, but you can see this. But I will create another one. Here I am using one database. So when any item is getting created, any new record is getting inserted in our database, at that time its trigger started, and then it's inserting on my new table, another table, so customer status, and then sending email to the approver, manager, and as well as the initial customer, and then also inserting the after the sending the email, according to the sending approval email, I am updating the data table again, database table again, and then sending the approval or rejection email to the customer. Okay, so let me move to and create one resource, here, and this is apps. I'm using my free account. And see, I have already created two table, customer registration table, customer status. I am just storing the all the status when the when customer has registered, and when customer request has been approved or rejected, and what is the status. So all the status I am storing here, and I am updating this table through Azure Logic Apps only. And initially I am storing data from the website on this table, registration table. So already I have created. This is when you open this Logic app, it provides you the development tools. These are the common which we got on all the apps, all the services when we create the any app service like overview, active log, access control, tags, and analysis. These others are all almost same, but these are the new things. Logic App Designer and Logic App Code, version, API connections, and and release notes are same, and other things are same. So we will see one by one in upcoming video. For this, we are going to use Logic App Designer. So it provides a predefined template. Uh, so let's show you that. You open it. So it provide you start with the common trigger. These are the common triggers. So we can use service bus, tweet when new tweet is posted on your tweet account or any account. Outlook, we can send email. So if you want to send email, you can use this Outlook. When new email is received in your Outlook account, you can send a you can also send a reply automatically there, and you can use we can also use OneDrive. So if anyone in your OneDrive account, if new item or new files are updated or deleted or created, in that case you want to do any action, you can use that. and also the HTTP request whenever we want. We are suppose we have created one Azure function Azure request. In that time we can use that. Okay. So for this demo purpose, I am going to use blank logic app. Once you click on that, so it will provide you the recently which you have used. So recently I have used this, but no worry, you can click on all, or you can type SQL. All type SQL, it directly give you the few options there. Okay, these are the Salesforce. Also you can use that SharePoint. So is if there is any new list item created in the SharePoint, you can automate also there. In this demo, I am going to use SQL Server. In SQL Server, if new item is created, so I already created. If you, I already authenticated my server. So if you are not authenticated, in that case, it will ask you to authorize to add the server. Table. This is my customer registration table. Okay, and I want to trigger it in 2 minutes. So this is my initial, and then again I want to so I am choosing next the again next action. So when a new item is getting created, I also want to update my status table. So first initially I want to insert one more table, one more record. Once the data is inserted in my main table, I want to, so this is my customer status table, and once this is added, so in my column, in this table it consists customer ID, customer status, or updated on. This is the time. So in customer ID, I want to add this. So you can add dynamic content. So in that time, updated on, I want to use also the current time whenever this data is updated or created in the table. I'm going to use pre-build function. Now you can use as per your requirement, no problem. And also I am adding, so currently I am updating pending. So this is my first step. Second step is done. So let me run this, and then we will again add the uh, email part. So first check this is working or not. So right now we do not have any data. Let's create one data. First, going to send an email right now, but yes, because I have given 1 minute, so it will 2 minute interval, so it will trigger after 2 minutes. It will check after 2 minutes. So I am not going to wait. So I am our action has been completed. This is also completed when an item is created and insert row. So let us verify that. So this is pending now because we have put it pending status there. So this is pending. let us extend this next step. So once this is done, we want to send email to the or the manager or to the manager. So send approval email here. So my manager email ID is ajay.bit@gmail.com, and the subject line, let me copy the reference ID would be ID only. User option. So manager or supervisor can approve or reject their request. This is done. This is done. Now go and create one more. ID. So send email because this is our free account, so it will take some time. So yes, so we have received this email, this approve or reject email. Okay, so we got this, and if we see there, this is done. This is old one, so this is the new one. Okay, so this is still in progress, it's showing, but we received the email for the reference ID 2, which we have received right now. Okay, so let let us extend this design, this logic app workflow more, and next step, uh, next step should be according to our field design. This should be also we want to insert the row with the updated details. So if the request is approved or rejected, it should be stored in our database as well. So in the customer status table, this should be the insert, and then updated on, we can again use the predefine, or if you can also use the any default value or which you want. And I'm using this only with us. Okay, and a status should be status also, it should be updated, so status should be the selected option by the manager. So this is, and then send email to the customer or the requester. Send email. You can choose the body content and this should be go to the customer email ID. Okay. So this is the flow. And also what we want to add we also want to send an initial email to the customer. So if you missed or you want to add any action, you can add there. So you can add like this only, or you can also add like parallel ones like this. So as you wish. I'm adding like this again. So send email. Where is the send email? Yes, this is, and this should be go to the customer, and customer email ID we will get from our dynamic content. And dynamic content when we have created this email ID, and specify the subject line. I'm using, I have only this line. Save and see the magic. We are using free accounts, so sometimes it happens. Uh, so right now two records. Third one. Yeah, recording started. Either we should wait for 2 minutes or can manually trigger or lock that. So this is our latest one. Check the history. So this is done. This is done, and this is taking time. So let us check meanwhile. This is going. These three tasks completed or not. Let us check on the registration. Yeah, third is done. Let us check customer status. This is also done. Ending one. And when we are with okay, so these two are done. So let us check again on the, this is our customer mail ID. So Azure for cloud, and the consumption side is third. So go check this my ID, and this is the reference ID third. So we also got this email ID. Let's wait for manager approval email. So I will receive that email in this, and meanwhile I am pausing this video. So yes, I can see we have received email. This email for the reference ID 3, and these are the options approve or reject. So I am approving here. So this is has been approved for this fully. Yeah, if you see, the task has been completed. Insert row 2 and send email, and also the customer has received the email. So let us verify this. This is updated in database or not, and this is uh, customer received email or not. So let us verify in customer status. So it was pending and it is updated. So I have not put in the complete time here, otherwise you can see the time. Verify the same in the Outlook. This was our registration notification email, and this is our confirmation email. So your request has been approved by manager. Please visit nearest store call at within 3 working days. So these are the two things. So we have automated emails. We have automated uh, updating our database table for a status kind of thing, and you can use in other way as well according to your requirement. Okay, so this is the our case. Okay. So yeah, and like this, and in upcoming videos we will see what is Azure Search and how it works in Azure Function, Application Insight, Contour Services, Board Framework, V4, and difference between framework version 3 and version 4. Now, we have the latest version of the bot framework, and we will also see the web jobs and how you can utilize web jobs and how it is how it's working, and many other app PaaS services of the Azure platform. So be tuned with me, and thank you for watching.